Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into a completely hype-free, realistic roadmap for navigating the 2026 digital gig economy as a retiree. I am literally so excited to walk you through this because, let's face it, the online work landscape has totally flipped in the last couple of years, and it's finally tipping heavily in your favor. If you've been searching for a way to translate your decades of experience into flexible income without the headache of a full-time gig, you're exactly where you need to be. Let's get right into it. There's a conversation happening in living rooms all across the country right now, and it usually starts with one simple thought. I kind of thought retirement would feel different. Maybe you were banking on endless golf or finally catching up on your reading, but everyday costs are just running a bit higher than you'd planned. Or actually, maybe you just miss that feeling of being genuinely useful, that deep satisfaction of knowing your professional judgment matters to someone else. If any of that hits home, trust me, you are absolutely not alone. And there's a very practical, real-world reason why so many of us are feeling the squeeze right now. Check this out. According to the Social Security Administration, Social Security only replaces roughly 40% of pre-retirement income for the average American. Just 40%. Yet financial planners usually suggest you need more like 70 to 80% just to keep up your standard of living. Bridging that financial gap is absolutely crucial today, and finding the right side hustle is exactly how you close it, all while keeping the flexibility you've earned. So, here's our roadmap for today. We'll cover the 2026 shift, scam defense, realistic hustles, a 7-day roadmap, and finally, the 90-day reality. Let's jump in. All right, part 1, the 2026 shift and why human judgment absolutely outshines AI. Listen, forget all the doom and gloom you might have heard about technology stealing jobs. Here in 2026, sure, AI handles the digital heavy lifting. It organizes data, drafts generic emails, manages schedules. But let's be real, AI can sound completely robotic, and it totally lacks real-world context. Because of that, the market is literally paying a premium for the things AI simply cannot fake: your credibility, your clear communication, and that invaluable life experience that only comes with age. Right now, your professional judgment is a real game changer. It's your biggest asset. Moving on to Section 2, Scam Defense, and protecting your foundation. Okay, before we build anything, we have to armor up because online job scams targeting seniors are everywhere. You've got to spot these red flags from a mile away. If an offer pops up out of nowhere via an unsolicited DM or text, ignore it. Legit employers just don't recruit like that. If the pay rate seems insanely high for basic work, like $800 a day for data entry, total bait. But here is the most absolutely crucial point. If a so-called company requires an upfront fee for a background check or forces you to buy their equipment, run. Legitimate employers will never, ever charge you a dime to start working for them. So it's like a giant puzzle. You need to know exactly where the safe pieces are. There's a night and day difference between where the danger lives and where you should actually be spending your time. Generic, unvetted job boards and social media offers, absolute minefields. Instead, you want to zero in entirely on the green flags. We're talking manually screened listings on vetted hubs, places like FlexJobs or the AARP job board. Sticking to a manually screened environment gives you instant peace of mind, so you can actually focus on the work instead of wondering, wait, is the person on the other end of this screen even real? Okay, let's get to the fun stuff. Section 3, Realistic Hustles and What Actually Works in 2026. Let's look at some actual, grounded opportunities that just require a laptop and the skills you already have. Notice how these scale to fit your life? If you want almost zero commitment, paid research and focus groups can net you $50 to $250 a session for just a couple hours a week. Got admin experience? Virtual assistant work can give you a solid 10 to 20 hours a week at up to $35 an hour. Or if you have highly specific knowledge, online tutoring or consulting can scale way up. We're talking up to $150 an hour, entirely on your terms. You can really start to picture a destination here that fits perfectly into your day-to-day routine. Next up, Section 4, the 7-day roadmap for your very first week. Now, what's really brilliant about this next part is just how simple it is. Early overwhelm is the absolute enemy of progress, right? So we're breaking your first week down into stress-free, bite-sized tasks. Day 1. Just choose your single lane. Seriously, don't try to be a tutor and a virtual assistant at the same time. Pick one focus. Day 2, update your LinkedIn profile. Think of it as your digital resume. It's your main credibility signal. Day 3, create exactly one account on one vetted platform. Don't go down a rabbit hole browsing endlessly. Just plant your flag in one safe place and call it a day. Then we roll right into Phase 2, Day 4. Write up your service description or apply to just 3 high-quality listings. Remember, quality always beats quantity. Day 5, play around with a free, simple AI tool like ChatGPT for maybe 30 minutes to help draft a professional bio. It totally demystifies the tech. Day 6, log in and follow up on any messages. And finally, day 7, tell just one person in your network what you're up to, a former colleague, maybe a neighbor. Believe it or not, good old word of mouth is still incredibly powerful in 2026. And just like that, with literally minutes a day, your foundation is perfectly built. All right, our final section, the 90-day reality and setting your expectations. We need to ground all this excitement in reality because expecting overnight riches is a guaranteed recipe for burnout. Let's look at the typical income growth for a virtual assistant. Month 1, it's slow. It's all about planting seeds. By day 30, you might only pull in $150. But as you find your footing, look at day 60. It jumps to around $650. And by day 90, that's when steady income truly clicks into place, hitting $1,200 or more. The folks who throw in the towel in week 3 never get to see what month 3 looks like. Consistency, my friends, is your secret weapon. Okay, let's quickly demystify the tax side of the whole shebang. When you side hustle, you are technically self-employed. That means you're on the hook for a 15.3% self-employment tax on your net earnings, which covers your Social Security and Medicare. But hey, don't let this intimidate you. The absolute easiest rule of thumb is this. Just stash 25 to 30% of every payment you get into a totally separate savings account. If you do that, you're going to be perfectly prepared when tax season rolls around. Easy, right? Now, here is a massively crucial point for a lot of you watching, and it's all about reassurance. Many folks stress out that earning extra cash will somehow penalize their existing income. But listen, if you have reached your full retirement age, which for most is typically 67, you can earn absolutely any amount from a side hustle without a single penny being reduced from your Social Security benefits. No cap, zero reduction. Your side hustle income is entirely yours to keep and enjoy. I really want to share this incredible quote directly from our source material with you all. It says, "Success requires a willingness to be a beginner again," which, if you think about it, is something you have done successfully many times before. Man, I just love that. Embracing the beginner mindset isn't some weakness, it's a massive strength. Think about it. You've navigated career changes, raised families, weathered shifting economies. Learning to use a vetted gig platform, that's just the next small step in a lifetime of adapting successfully. So we've walked through the shifting market, we've armored you up against the scams, and we've laid out your stress-free first week roadmap. I want to leave you with this one challenge today. Which lane are you going to choose for day 1? Are you going to leverage those decades of hard-earned experience, or are you going to let hesitation win out? Don't wait around. Take that first simple step today. Thanks for joining me for this explainer, and happy exploring.